alarming turn in the Middle East conflict. For the first time in this war, Iran has reportedly used a missile armed with cluster munitions, a move that's already drawing serious international concern. But what exactly happened and why are these weapons so controversial? Let's break it down all for you. So what happened recently between Iran and Israel? Iran fired a missile at central Israel. According to the Israeli military and its embassy in Washington, the missile carried cluster submunitions. This is because the missile exploded mid-air about 7 kilometers above the ground and released around 20 small bomblets, scattered over an area about 8 kilometers wide. The target was reportedly a densely populated civilian area. So what are these cluster munitions? These are basically bombs or missiles that carry many smaller explosives called submunitions. They are designed to spread out and cover a wider area, and these are intended to increase the chance of hitting multiple targets. And why are these bombs controversial? Well, these bombs lack precision as they don't have advanced guidance systems. They have submunitions which detonate on impact but not all explode as planned. The ones that don't explode become dangerous unexploded ordnance, posing long-term threats to civilians, especially children. They are widely considered inhumane when used in populated areas. As of now, no casualties have been reported so far in Israel due to these cluster bombs, but Israeli military issued public warnings about unexploded bomblets. Authorities are likely conducting clearance operations in affected zones. Overall, the use of cluster munitions marks a dangerous escalation in the ongoing conflict. As international observers react, one thing is clear: this development raises serious humanitarian concerns. What are your views on this? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.